Welcome to this YouTube tutorial. In this video I will show you how to combine OBS Studio with StreamYard. Whatever appears in your OBS Studio screen, you will be able to see it in StreamYard and stream it to YouTube or Facebook. But before you can do it, you need to download something from internet, and it's called virtual camera. Okay, OBS virtual camera. You type OBS virtual camera on Google, you click on the top link, it will take you to the OBS project website. You click on download. Okay, the software will be downloaded to your computer. From there, make sure OBS is closed before you install the plugin. You close OBS if it was open, you install the plugin, then you restart your computer and you go to tools. Once you go to tools, at the very bottom you will see virtual camera. From there you click virtual camera, virtual cam, you click it, and this is what will appear. This screen will appear and you have to click start. Before clicking start, you make sure everything looks the way it is now in my screen. You select keep aspect ratio and target camera, OBS camera, and that's it. Everything, make sure here it's 0, and that's it. And you click start. Once you click start, this is what it will look like. You will have the opportunity to stop it. If you stop the virtual camera, then you cannot really use it. You have to leave it as it is. You click start, then you close. After clicking start, you close. Okay, from here, from start you go to close. From start you go to close, and you close it. After closing, then you go to StreamYard and you make sure that OBS camera is selected. Once OBS camera is selected, you will be able to see whatever is in your screen or your OBS Studio screen. You will be able to see it in StreamYard. Okay, so this is what it will look like. You will be able maybe to see yourself. Mine is a screenshot, but for you it will be like the way you can see me now. I took a screenshot when I was planning the video. I hope you understand. I will go over it again, but there is also the audio side of it, and yeah, if you have questions about the audio in OBS, then I can make another video explaining the audio side of the problem. But if you are satisfied, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe. These are the kinds of video that I will be uploading to this YouTube channel. I will just repeat the process, that way you maybe this time it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, Google OBS virtual camera, click the top link obsproject.com virtual cam, OBS virtual cam. You click it, then you will reach this website. You click on download, then you will have the file in your computer. From there, make sure OBS is closed, is shut down. You install the plugin, you restart your computer, then you go to tools. At the very bottom you will see virtual cam. You press it and this screen will appear. From here, make sure buffered frame is at 0. OBS cam, target camera, OBS cam, keep aspect ratio, you tick. and that's it. Okay, you move on, you press start, and after pressing start you have to close it. Okay, after pressing start you go straight to close. You close it, and after closing you go to StreamYard, and at StreamYard you make sure you select OBS Virtual Cam. OBS Cam, you select it, and after selecting you will appear in the screen in StreamYard. Whatever is in your OBS studio screen, that is what will appear in StreamYard. For now I had a screen capture of StreamYard, me in StreamYard, but for you it will be whatever is in your OBS studio screen. That is what will appear. It will be something like this, like you in OBS in StreamYard. Okay, I hope you understand. For the audio, I repeat, make sure you leave a comment if you have a question regarding the audio side of the problem. Other than that, make sure you like the video. If you want to comment, why not? Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, and I say bye bye.